Hi everyone, today's video is all about what kills your elegance, what makes your elegance not so elegant, and these points are going to take your elegance level to the top notch. Gossiping. Do you know that? पता है आपको, but I'm sure everybody loves gossiping because it's interesting. I'm sure. But you know what? अगर आपका कोई एक इंसान है जिसको आप बहुत ट्रस्ट करके उसके साथ gossip करते हो, that's okay. But you should not be a person who is gossiping about everybody to everybody. It is an extremely bad habit, and you will be considered as a very trash human being than a very elegant human being. So I don't want you to be that, right? So be very mindful when you are talking to people and with whom you're talking. That's very important. Point number two that absolutely kills your elegance is being super loud. Yes, my ladies, being loud is not considered as being elegant. It's considered as being trashy. अगर आप बहुत composed voice से बात करते हो, that leads to looking super sophisticated and elegant. So always try कि ऊंची आवाज से ज्यादा अच्छा है कि आप धीमी आवाज में बात करें, आराम से बात करें, politely बात करें, and that makes you super elegant. Third point, making your elegance go from 100 to 0 is over explaining. कोई आपसे कभी कोई allegation लगता है, आपसे कोई बात किसी तरीके की होती है, don't over explain yourself. Like, oh, you went to a holiday. Yes, I went and मैंने holiday में ये किया, वो किया, इधर गए, उधर गए. Don't say too much if you've not been asked. कोई आपसे सिर्फ इतना बोल रहा है, अच्छा, I saw you in the market. You should not start with, yes, I went to the market, I bought this, I bought that. मुझे गाड़ी नहीं मिली, I had to walk and blah blah blah. Don't do that. Just अगर आपसे कोई yes or no में जवाब दीजिए और फिर सामने से कोई पूछे तो अच्छा, how was the day, how was the market, then you give the reasoning or the explanation. Don't always give out your peace of mind. It's not required. Next important point that absolutely kills your elegance level is undefined fits, not so worthy personal style. So जो अगर आपको कोई outfit है वो आपके लिए tailor fit नहीं है, doesn't suit you, it is not working for your undertones and color, it is just going to kill your elegance. You will look shabby, you will look outdated, you will never look nice. So please जब भी आप outfits लें, it should be classy, not trendy, it should be elegant, not cheap. So it has to have all those values to make you look super elegant and not somebody who is just कुछ भी पहन लिया कहीं पे भी चले गए. No, always have a mindset, always have a vision so that you're looking amazing all the next time. Important point, I'm sure ये हम सब guilty हैं करने के लिए, even I'm guilty of doing it and I make sure कि अभी मैं ऐसा नहीं करती हूँ, but there was a time when I used to do this. मुझे पता नहीं चलता था क्योंकि हम इतने ज़्यादा इस चीज़ में हमारा habitual हो चुका होता है. Phone is like life, so tuck 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 when somebody is talking to you. Oh my god, it is so disrespectful and it is so bad. But हम सब ने किया है. But you can always take the lead and not to do it. So if somebody is talking to you, please engage in that conversation. Please, please, please don't get into your phone. Sometimes my husband do it. जब मैं उससे कुछ बहुत important बात कर रही हूँ and he's on phone, I literally feel like taking his phone and throwing it into the dustbin. Telling you very honestly. And ये मेरे साथ अगर कोई और भी करता है ना, मुझे वो बहुत बुरा लगता है. Just because वो कोई एक दूसरा बंदा होता है, third person होता है, we don't say it out there on the face, but it is quite disrespectful for the other person कि आप उन वो आपसे कुछ बता रहे हैं, they're sharing their heart out and you're on phone. Don't do that. It's not nice. So always remember कि you can change yourself any day. It's not like कि कोई आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. So you can definitely change that aspect of yours. Important point that absolutely kills your elegance is oversharing your life. See, everybody has issues, everybody has good days, everybody have bad days, but don't overshare everything. कोई आपकी खुशी है तो उसको इतना भी मत दिखाओ क्योंकि दूसरे बंदे की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है आपको नहीं पता है. So when you're showing too much of your good side, it might trigger that person. उसकी लाइफ में कुछ बुरा हो रहा होगा and you don't know what the other person is going through. So just be very very in a midway whenever you're sharing your happiness and whenever you're sharing your bad days, because when you're sharing your bad days, the other might be having the best day of life and suddenly you're pouring all your bad energy उनकी लाइफ में, वो sucked in हो जाते हैं and then they lose their happiness also. So find a midway. कुछ बुरा हो रहा है तो just ask the other person, is the right time to talk, like I'm feeling a little low, आज बात कर सकते हैं, या if we can talk some other day. So just be very respectful for their time and energy. Just don't overshare everything. if you have a good news, just first talk to the other person. Uska frame of mind समझने की कोशिश करो कि अच्छा आज उनके साथ कुछ बुरा तो नहीं हुआ. If I share something amazing of my, what if they feel little bad? So when you respect other person, the other soul, you're going to be very, very mindful and always be appreciated for that quality. Don't just pour out everything you have in your mind. It may or may not be taken in the better light. Last but not the least, arguing in the public forum. So elegant people don't do that. If you have an opinion which is not being agreed, there is always a concept of agree to disagree. You don't have to fight a world war to put up your opinion saying मैं ही सही हूँ. There are many people who have different school of thought, and you have to respect that. You cannot force feed your opinions, your thought to somebody else. There is a gap of understanding. जो आपका थ्रेशोल्ड है वो दूसरे का नहीं है. इस चीज को जिस दिन आप समझ जाओगे, योर लाइफ विल बी वेरी वेरी इजी. यू डोंट हैव टू आर्ग्यू टू विन. समटाइम्स स्टेपिंग बैक मेक्स यू द विनर देन बीइंग टॉक ऑफ द डे. जो आपका विजडम है वो दूसरे के पास नहीं होगा. जिस लेवल में आप समझते हो दूसरा बंदा नहीं समझेगा. चेंज द टॉपिक. इफ इट्स गेटिंग हीटेड अप, जस्ट चेंज द टॉपिक. फिर भी उनको समझ नहीं आना, यू कैन लीव द रूम. एज सिंपल एज दैट. But don't do anything else. So these are few really cool points to make sure that your elegance stay in place. Few other points जो मैं adapt कर सकती हूँ in this lovely video of ours is give compliments. So being an elegant woman is not about being always, अपने में रहना, किसी से बात नहीं करना and all. Always give compliments to others, because getting compliments is a beautiful thing. Think about yourself. कोई आपको सामने से आके बोलेगा, oh, your hair looks so pretty, your lipstick is so pretty, or whatever. It makes your day. I'm sure. There are times when I'm in the airport and मैं चश्मा लगाती हूँ. Like I have big glasses. मुझे दूर का नहीं देखता. तो I always look around people जो बहुत अच्छे चश्मे लगाते हैं, because मुझे लगता है कि ask them कि उन्होंने कहाँ से लिया. And in airport I'm always complimenting some lady or other that I really love your spectacles. Where is it from? And that just lights up the day. क्योंकि उनको लगता है चश्मे के बारे में कौन पूछेगा. Like चश्मा is so underrated, but for me I really look forward कि किसी का अच्छा frame होगा तो I will definitely ask. So always give that compliment. Why you want to take it inside and money man अच्छा कितने अच्छे लग रहे थे. Go tell them, because it's so nice. It's a nice way of putting out there you're a human being, and giving compliments to others is the best thing possible. That makes you super attractive and elegant. So that is it from my end. Please try to incorporate these habits. You will turn out to be the better version of yourself. And I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist and color analyst and image coach. If you have any concerns regarding developing your image, personal style, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll be there to help you out. You can email me. All the details are in the description box. And yes, I'll see you next week. Bye bye.